Number 1.
1985 Dodge D150, price $4,500. It features a white exterior paired with a tan interior, and it's powered by a reliable inline 6-cylinder gasoline engine, mated to an automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives as it should. The interior is largely original, with the only modern upgrade being a Bluetooth stereo for added convenience. Both the heat and air conditioning systems are functional, though the AC no longer blows very cold. It's worth noting that the truck can be hard to start after sitting for a few weeks, often requiring a quick spray of starting fluid. However, it always manages to fire up and hasn't been a major concern for the current owner. Mechanically, the Dodge has a couple of minor issues, a slow oil leak and a slow coolant leak, neither of which have affected its drivability.
Number 2.
1987 Ford F250, price $7,800, showing just 132,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a bold blue exterior with a matching blue interior, it features a manual 4-speed transmission and is powered by a robust 460 big block V8 gasoline engine. The truck comes equipped with both air conditioning and functional heat, making it comfortable for year-round driving. This F250 is exceptionally solid for its age, showing only minimal signs of oxidation. It's equipped with both a gooseneck hitch and a regular hitch, offering versatility for towing needs. It also rides on brand new tires and rims with fewer than 2,000 miles of use, adding to its road readiness. While it can be driven just as it is, this truck would also serve as a fantastic project for anyone looking for a classic with a solid foundation to build upon.
Number 3.
1981 Volkswagen Rabbit, price $9,800. This pickup diesel is a beautifully maintained classic that's hard to come by in this condition. With 207,000 miles, it has proven to be a durable and reliable vehicle. The truck sports a bright yellow exterior with a clean black interior, giving it a timeless, eye-catching look. It features a 5-speed manual transmission and runs on diesel, offering great fuel efficiency and a classic driving experience. The vehicle has always been garage-kept, showing absolutely no signs of rust, and sits on a fresh set of new tires. Every component functions flawlessly, from the lights and gauges to the engine and transmission, making it not only dependable but also fully road-ready. It comes with a clean title and has never been involved in any accidents. Truly a great little truck, this Rabbit looks and runs 100%, and is a rare find that must be seen and driven to be fully appreciated.
Number 4.
1995 Ford F150, price $3,500. With 296,000 miles on the chassis, it features a 5.0L V8 engine that was rebuilt and currently has around 120,000 miles on it. The truck runs and drives well, and it has been very well maintained over the years. Originally from Texas, it shows minimal rust, an impressive trait for a truck of this age. It comes with an automatic transmission, a clean white exterior, and a red interior that gives it a timeless look. The truck runs on gasoline and is in solid mechanical shape thanks to several new parts, including a new starter, new battery, all new shocks, and all sway bar links recently replaced. The only item it currently needs is a single O2 sensor to pass emissions.
Number 5.
1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,500. This 2WD pickup is a solid foundation for anyone looking for a reliable lifted truck or the perfect project vehicle. While the truck shows 222,000 miles on the body, the heart of the vehicle has already been renewed. A freshly replaced 5.7L V8 engine with only 3,000 miles on it provides strong and dependable performance. Paired with an automatic transmission and running on gasoline, it offers smooth shifting and everyday drivability. The burgundy exterior gives it a bold, classic look, and it's been upgraded with a 6-inch suspension lift along with a 3-inch body lift, making it stand out both on and off the road. The truck sits on 35-inch all-terrain tires, which still have approximately 75% of their tread life remaining, offering plenty of life for trails or daily use. The braking system has been completely overhauled and is functioning at 100%, ensuring it stops as confidently as it drives. Inside, the cabin retains its original look and awaits finishing touches, making it a blank canvas for customization.
Number 6.
1985 Ford F250, price $7,500. This truck is a clean, original, and unmodified survivor. Finished in blue inside and out, it features a powerful 460 V8 gasoline engine with a heavy-duty automatic transmission. The extended cab includes a near-perfect rear bench seat, and the cab itself is in excellent shape. Aside from a sun-cracked dash pad, structurally, the truck is 100% rust-free. Rockers, panels, and even the undercarriage are in remarkable condition. A new windshield has just been installed. While the original paint has faded and the body shows dents, dings, and a bent rear bumper, it remains a solid, reliable work truck, not a showpiece, but a true workhorse with great potential.
Number 7.
1974 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,000, comes with an automatic transmission and a sleek black exterior. It's powered by a rebuilt 350 engine and a 700R4 transmission with just over 20,000 miles, equipped with a new towing shift kit, fluid, and filter. It also features a new transmission cooler, braided stainless lines, throttle cable, new brakes, and door seals. While the truck runs and drives, it needs some finishing touches. Gauges aren't hooked up, seat belts and door seal plates need installation, and the heater control needs replacing. It comes with new passenger side rocker panels and a cab corner. The bed has minor surface rust but no holes, making it a solid project with major mechanical work already done.
Number 8. 1973 GMC 1500, price $10,000, shows 90,000 miles and wears its original Skyline blue paint with great patina. It's powered by a strong 350 V8 paired with a rebuilt TH350 transmission and new torque converter. The truck has been lowered with a 6x8 drop kit, GSI rear flip with C-notch and Beltec front, and features all new suspension parts, brakes, tie rods, bushings, and shocks. A fresh 3-core radiator keeps it cool, while brand new 20-inch US mag wheels and tires give it a bold stance. The interior includes a new seat and upgraded sound system, and the wood bed floor has been fully redone. It runs great, with only minor ATF trips, and currently needs a driver's side window regulator. Comes with a copy of the original Texas title, plus installation photos and receipts. A great mix of vintage style and modern upgrades. Number 9.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500. This truck is a dependable and well-maintained classic pickup, showing 272,000 miles on the odometer. It's equipped with a 305 V8 engine and a manual transmission, delivering solid performance and reliability despite its age. The truck is a 2-wheel drive model and features a striking blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, both of which still hold up well. It runs great and has proven to be a very reliable vehicle over the years. The current owner is only parting with it due to life circumstances, not because of any mechanical issues. It comes with a clean title registered in their name.
Number 10.
1986 Chevrolet C10, price $6,000, with only 41,000 original miles and a clean title. Currently used as a daily driver, it features a blue exterior and matching blue interior, runs on gasoline, and has an automatic transmission. It's been tastefully upgraded with an Edelbrock RPM high-rise dual-plane intake, Moroso valve covers, and a freshly regasketed and painted engine. Recent maintenance includes a new gas tank, fuel pump, water pump, rear brakes, most brake lines, and new shocks. It also features new 235/75 or 15 tires on refurbished rally wheels, stainless steel headers, and a full 2.5 MagnaFlow X-Pipe dual exhaust system. Reliable, stylish, and mechanically solid, this C10 blends classic looks with modern drivability.